Yeah, thank you kay Lord kasi binigay niya agad sa amin.
For every night, you're my day. I wouldn't have it any other way. For every mountain, you're the view.
Happy birthday, Z! Wish ko is magbait ka palagi, lumaki ka ng maayos, and wish ko palagi ay yung mabuti para sa'yo. Daddy's always here, at saka si Mami, tsaka magbait ka palagi. Love you!
You're the one, so beautiful, so sweet, so right, so beautiful, so alive. I must be dreaming, dreaming.
Happy birthday, Z! We love you!
Happy birthday, Z!
Happy birthday, Z! I love you! We love you! Have a good one! Happy birthday, Z! Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is huwag kang gagaya sa akin. Napakatayohin. Pero nakikita ko na ngayon pa lang, super maldita mo na. Ang sana yung huwag kang makakalimot palagi kay Lord.
Every midnight, you're my star. I'll follow you wherever.
Ang wish ko kay Bebe ay lumaki na mabait na bata. Namana sa lola. Hindi sa mami.
Beautiful, so sweet.
Sahara, happy birthday.
So beautiful.
Salamat at pinakalang magandang bata.
I must be
Welcome po sa birthday ni Z. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo and sana mabusog namin kayo.
I must be dreaming.
Thank you po sa lahat ng mga pumunta. Appreciate po namin kayong lahat. Salamat po.
I must be dreaming, dreaming. I must be
I'm your Ninong, so I will do everything for you. I'll always be with you. So, happy birthday!
Happy first birthday, my baby love. Mommy G's always here for you. Anytime. Just give me a call and I'll be there for you all. Okay? Thank you. I love you.